What's going on, you guys? It's your old Pazzy here in our review. Today we are reviewing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre is a multiplayer online survival horror game where you can be one of the killers like Leatherface, the Hitchhiker, Sissy, and then Cook. Or you could be a survivor, which is regular people trying to escape the family. There's Johnny. Oh, I forgot Johnny. You can play as Johnny, too. There's... Hell, I don't even remember the freaking survivors. I just remember the family. Let's just cut it through the middle here. The story. The gameplay is good, except sometimes it likes to lag. The characters move nicely. This game I highly recommend if you haven't played it, because I think it's really fun. So, there's that, I guess. If you're a big Texas Chainsaw Massacre fan like I am, you're probably gonna love this. Like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.